Aloha, hello, I am Heather.
And I'm Chris.
And we get asked all the time what some of our favorite places that we get to travel to. So we thought we'd share some of them with you. And today we're going to talk about San Antonio, Texas, a place that was amazing and blew my mind, and very specifically, the Riverwalk.
And we have it, the Riverwalk.
Tell them how we got there. What brought us to
We
San
got a
Antonio.
load from Los Angeles, California, and we delivered to San Antonio. And then after that, we parked at the truck stop, Ubered into town, and had a really good time.
A great time. So I am the perpetual tourist, and I don't care. I am unabashedly and unapologetically a tourist. So we did the riverboat tour with Go Rio. That is the tour company there, and it was fantastic. It's about 45 minutes long, and we got to see tons of great stuff.
And you can drink a beer while you're going along the river.
We can drink. You can drink on the Riverwalk part of it, and then the upper part you can't drink. So needless to say, we stayed on the Riverwalk. And then anyway, when we were done, we were getting ready to go back to the truck, and then they had a tornado. I had lived in Nashville. It wasn't really a tornado, but they thought it was, and everything closed down, and we couldn't get an Uber, we couldn't get a Lyft, we couldn't get back. So we ended up staying at the Hilton, and I talk a lot about that in the blog because basically, tell them how they made the Hilton on the Riverwalk.
Built with a bunch of modular cubicles stacked on top of one another for the World's Fair. It was a hurry up and get it done.
What? And it's a Hilton, and basically Hilton had paid a contractor to build this thing for the World's Fair, and then they basically took the money and left. And then when Hilton came back a few years later, there was no building. So they literally built it in modules and stacked it. And that's the hotel we stayed at. We stayed at 21 floors up, and it was fantastic. So anyway,
lightning storm.
oh yeah, it was great. Allegedly, Gatorade was invented in San Antonio, and it's actually the 7th largest city in the country, which were things I didn't know. But we do have a blog, so if you want to learn more about San Antonio, about the Riverwalk, please check it out. Thank you so much for being here.
Home of the Alamo. Forget the
FBI, open up!
famous Alamo.
It's so true.
Anyway.
And we, it was like, I don't know, 1,000 degrees in San Antonio when we were there, and we ended up ducking into the theater so we could watch a documentary on the Alamo, mostly because it was air conditioned. But I did learn a lot, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't know that basically everyone died at the Alamo, little did I know. But it really definitely speaks to Texas pride to kind of understand it whenever you see the movie. So, yeah, so that's about it. Thank you so much for being here, and until next time,
That's it from her, and that's it from me.
cheers.
Bye.